You clicked on the Boston Whaler 210 Vantage, and I'm willing to bet it's probably because you need a multi-purpose boat for different applications. A little bit of fishing and a little bit of family. So the 210 Vantage is the best 21-foot boat on the market that gets you both. Starting in the back, we have a 225 horsepower Mercury V6. On both sides of the engine, we have two jump seats that easily fold away with fiberglass non-skid on the top for any of you who are looking for a casting platform. We have cup holders in between with rod holders, as well as rod holders on top of the gunnels on both sides. We have a spot for a ski tow pylon in front of the engine as well, and we have a freshwater washdown. As you make your way up into the boat, into the cockpit here, we have a nice Boston Whaler blue bimini that gives you a ton of shade. We also have the very well-known multi-position lounger that you're going to see on every Vantage across this entire lineup, whether it's the 21, 24, 28, or the 33. Thing I love about this one is that come right here, boom. Now you have a live well. You can use that live well for exactly that, bait, or you can also use it as an insulated cooler that has self-draining capabilities, so you can fill it up with drinks if you're going to go for a long day out on the water. Just forward, we have a storage compartment as well. This is dry storage, and you can put water toys, any extra gear that you want to put away. The backrest, this is the multi-position lounger part. So right now we're in the forward and aft facing position. You're going to have people sitting on the back side facing aft, and have people sitting on the front side facing forward. If you just lift in the middle, you can bring it back one, gives you a little bit more space facing the back. Bring it back another time, which will bring it all the way down. And Whaler actually puts upholstery and cushioning on the head door. That way you can use this as a full leg length lounger, or you can even lay down and take a little nap. Flip it right back up, and now you have plenty of room up here to actually open the head door. Come check this out. Right now we currently have the covers stored in there as well as the porta potty, but there's plenty of space for storage or using it like it's designed as a porta potty. Now over to the starboard side console. Of course, we have our changeable captain's chair there. It can be slid forward, slid aft. You can also spin it around to join the party. We have the digital throttle control here. Push start, push stop. And because it is digital, it allows you to change gears very smoothly. This boat also has active trim functions so that the engine will actually change its trim angle dependent on RPM to get you the best performance and the best efficiency. We do have our tactile rocker switches for some of your lights as well. We have our Mercury tachometer and speedometer over here with plenty of modes as well, so you can go filter through all the different settings. We have the Simrad VHF here as well, hardwired in. We have USB and USB-C. Keep your phones charged. We have a 9-inch Simrad NSX display that will give you a fish finder, and that also gives you auto routing capabilities. As we move forward to the bow, past the consoles here, we have a nice air dam, and we also have a foldable windshield. Block a little bit of wind if it gets a little colder at night. In the starboard side console, we have access to another storage compartment. Storage compartment also holds a 5-gallon pail. The 5-gallon pail can be used as a trash can and can also be accessed by a quick access chute. So throw it right in there. It's going to go right into the bucket. Moving forward, this is where you're going to get some of those day boating capabilities. So you're going to have the two forward chase lounges. The two forward chase lounges have a nice wide back. They're also full leg length, so you can spread out and get comfortable. Whaler has nicely positioned this bow rail inside as well, so it's something to grab onto, and brought that upholstery all the way up the side of the gunnel wall with a couple of cup holders. Something I really do like about the Whaler 21 Vantage as well is that you're also adding another access door to that starboard side console. This right here is storage for your rods, and this is all lockable, by the way, so you can put your rods in there and leave the boat. As you might have also seen, it gives you access to your ski tow pylon storage as well. if you're looking to get best of both worlds out on the water this summer, feel free to give us a call or come on down to check out the 21 Vantage in person with us. Either way, we look forward to seeing you out on the water.